Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Audi A3 8P headlight bulb. Start by parking on level ground and disconnecting the battery negative terminal. Remove the wheel arch liner or access panel to reach the back of the headlight housing. Unclip the wiring harness and twist out the old bulb, avoiding skin contact on the glass. Install the new bulb, reconnect the harness, test the light, and reassemble panels securely. Now I will guide you through removing the bulb with calm, step-by-step instructions. First, open the bonnet and find the rear cover on the headlight housing. Remove screws or clips holding the access panel or wheel arch liner, then gently pull it back for room. Unplug the electrical connector and release the spring or twist mechanism that holds the bulb. Handle components gently to avoid breaking plastic tabs or wiring and keep parts together. Next, I will explain how to install the new bulb with care and confidence. Unpack the replacement bulb and avoid touching the glass with bare fingers to prevent hot spots. Insert the bulb into the socket, align tabs, and secure the retaining spring or twist lock. Reconnect the electrical plug and temporarily reconnect the battery negative terminal to test the light alignment and function. Once confirmed, fully reassemble covers and tighten fasteners securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.